Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So today we are going to present a new setup video to you, that is how to set up TP-Link AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 router. You can set up your TP-Link AX1500 router using TP-Link Tether app or web browser. So in this video we will discuss about web browser setup. Watch this video till the end, so that you do not miss any step. So without wasting the time, let's start the setup video. First of all, unbox the router box. Inside the TP-Link AX1500 router box, you'll find the Wi-Fi 6 router, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable for connecting to your modem. There's also a quick installation guide to help with setup. Now turn on the router and wait for the power LED to stabilize. Connect an Ethernet cable from your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router. On your computer, laptop, or smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network, SSID, found on the label at the bottom of the router. Enter the default Wi-Fi password, also on the label. Now open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net, then press Enter. You will be prompted to log in. Enter default login credentials, username, admin password, admin, unless changed. Select your internet connection type, dynamic IP, most common, PPPoE or static IP. Now click Next to proceed. Change Wi-Fi name, SSID, choose a unique network name. Set Wi-Fi password, create a strong password. Click Save/Apply and wait for the router to reboot. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi using your new SSID password. Check internet connection by opening a website. Your router is now ready to use. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.